Hey Biscuits, I thought I'd bring you along for just a quick laundry, tidy, put away stuff kind of morning so that you can just see what one of my cleaning easy mornings are to get a little inspiration for yourself, because sometimes it can seem daunting how to even start the day. Quick morning of getting some cleaning on. I find that when I actually bother to clean regularly, like a little bit every day, I'm so much happier. With the caveat that, you know, being a homemaker is a full-time job. I find that I am much more productive and I'm happier, most importantly, if I take a day off. It is so rare. Saturday I took a day off. You know, I did still actually clean the house, but I took a day off work, and that alone was wonderful. So if your full-time job is homemaking, it's a really nice thing to give yourself a day off, where you don't have to do dishes, you don't have to scrub up. Easier said than done, right? Kids are messy. But it helps with my sanity where I take a day off doing dishes, and then the next day I come in and go, why did I do that? It's so messy. But it does help my mental state to be happier and less burdened down and more buoyed up with the joy of homemaking, right? Because anything can burn you out. I'm just getting some quick laundry folded. I took a break off of laundry folding without meaning to. I just kept putting it in the clean hamper because I had such a busy work week that I was just like, you know, that was kind of my limit. And man, now I am digging my way out of the laundry pile. You know, one thing of laundry a day is a great plan if you stick to it. And I was naughty and I didn't stick to my own rules. Okay, come along. Well, I get some laundry on, I get some fruit put away that I had to wash, and just get the house a little tidier. Oh yeah. I store all of my reusable bags, which I'm not using right now because of the virus. I am doing disposable bags that I can toss, or no bags at all where they just go right in the cart. I wipe everything down. But normally all my reusable bags I store within each other, so I can just grab a big hunk, hop to the store when I need to use them. Hey Biscuits, thank you so much for requesting cleaning videos and homemaking videos. I so appreciate that you have a love for how much fun homemaking can be. I will see you in the next video. It would make my heart so delighted if you went and clicked in the description box to the link that says my novels. I have a new sci-fi novel out that I've talked about, Oak Island Vector, and it is a really fun sci-fi adventure with lots of spicy entertainment. I would love it if you went and grabbed yourself a copy and let me know what part of it you love the most. I love seeing you biscuits read the novels that I write. It just fills up my little cup of heart joy for the day. I will see you in the next video. As always, you can follow along if you don't already over on Instagram. I post there throughout the week pretty much every day. And then if you want to see more of our videos, the majority of my videos are on my main channel, the Wholesome feed. It's linked over from the main dash and everything on here. This is kind of our second lifestyle, homemaking, and just fun vlogs channel. So whenever I get a question like, oh, do you post more? I do. I post over there a ton too. I will see you around. I really appreciate it. I'm feeling better. I'm so glad that I took Saturday off and that I gave myself a little room to breathe, because I needed that room to breathe. So if you need a reminder that all of your gorgeous homemaking is worthwhile and good, but that you also have permission to take a break, hey, I'm here to remind you. You'll be so much perkier and happier and more productive around your home, around your work, around your family, if you give yourself space to take a few breaths during all this. I will see you around. Hey, love you biscuits. Kisses. Far away internet hugs. That's what I've been doing lately, because I think we all need internet hugs.